Alright, language explorers. So, The Tempest, Act 1, Scene 1. Scene 1. On a ship at sea, a tempestuous noise of thunder and lightning heard. Enter a shipmaster and boatswain severely. Boatswain, here, master, what cheer? Good! Speak to the mariners, fall to yarly, or we run ourselves aground. Bestia! Bestia! Exit. Enter mariners. Boatswain. Hey, my hearts, cheerly, cheerly, my hearts, yeah, yeah, take in the topsail, tend to thy master's will, blow till thou hast burst thy wind, if room enough. Enter Alonso, Sebastian, Antonio, Ferdinand, Gonzalo, and others. Good boatswain, have care, where's the master? Play the men. I pray now, keep below. Where is the master, boatswain? Do you not hear him? Your may our labour, keep your cabins, you do assist the storm. Nay, good, be patient. When the sea is here, hence, what cares these roarers for the name of our king? To cabin, silence, trouble us not. Good, yet remember whom thou hast aboard. None that I love more than myself. You are a counsellor if you can. If you can command these elements to silence and work the peace of present, we will not hand a rope more. Use your authority. If you cannot, give thanks you have lived so long, and make yourself ready in your cabin for the mischance of the hour. If so happen, cheerily, good hearts, out of our way stay. Exit. Gonzalo. I have great comfort from this fellow. Methinks he hath no drowning mark upon him. His complexion is perfect gallows. Stand fast, good faith, to his hanging. Make the rope of his destiny our cable. For our own doth have little advantage. If he be not born to be hanged, our case is miserable. Re-enter boatswain. Down with the topmast, yeah, lower, lower, bring her in with to main course. A plague upon this howling, they are louder than the weather or our office. Enter Sebastian, Antonio, and Gonzalo. Yet again, what do you here? Shall we give her or drown? Have you a mind to sink? A pox on your throat, you bawling, blasphemous, incharitable dog. Work you, then. Hang her, hang. You whoreson, insolent noisemaker, we are less afraid to be drowned than thou art. I'll warrant him for drowning, though the ship were no stronger than a nutshell, and as leaking as an untouched wench. Lay her a hold, set her 2 courses, off to sea again, lay her off. Enter marines men, wet. All is lost, to prayers, all is lost. What? Must our mouths be cold? The king and prince at prayers, let's assist them, for our case is as theirs. I am out of patience. We are merely cheated our lives by drunkards. This Whitechapel'd rascal, who doubts mightn't lie, drown in the washing of 10 tides. He'll be hanged yet, though every drop of water sweat against him, the gape of winds to glut him. A confused noise within, mercy on us, we split. Farewell, my children and wife, farewell, brother, we split. Antonio, let's all sink, where is the king? Let's take leave of him. Now I give 1,000 furlongs of sea for an acre of barren ground. Long heath, brown furze, anything. The wills above done beyond be done, but I would fain death, a dry death.